Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily use Galaxy A36 multitasking features. So first, what we can try is opening two apps at the same time. For me, it will be Settings and Drive. It doesn't really matter. But what we can do is tap on it and keep holding. Here we can drag it, and as you guys can see, now we have two apps right here. What we can do is we can close one or make one smaller, depending on our needs. Now what we can also do is disable it completely. Here what we can also try is the pop-up window, which is the pop-up view, sorry. And the pop-up view basically looks like this. So let me open settings, let me tap and hold and drag it here for pop-up view. As you guys can see, it's just like this. We can change it here and we can run another app in the background. Now what we can try is opening those settings again. As you guys can see, if we leave, they are here. We can do just that, and now we're gonna keep opening settings, and how we close it is we take it and we drag it here to the close and the X mark. Now what you can try is floating windows. It's just like the pop-up view, but you can resize them, and it may not work, but it's worth trying. Sadly, it does not work, but some of the apps, oh never mind. It works. It was my bad. I thought it would be like visible, but you have to figure it out, just like I did right now. And I must say, I'm pretty impressed by how they hit it. And yeah, this is how you can make floating windows. You can make them smaller, you can close them, and that's it. What else you can try is quick switching between apps. And now what you can do is, if you have, let's say, 3 apps open and you don't want to change them, just like that, now leaving, opening another one, you can use the app drawer, and you can also use the edge guy here, where you can disable it. You can enable it just in display right here in the edge panels. Now after you enable, here you can have notes, you can also have gallery, and much more. Also, you can edit this for your preference. Let me add Gmail, for example, and as you guys can see, it's right here. We can also get AI select here, and we can tap or draw around something to select it. So let me select this one. Now we can set it as wallpaper, we can cut it, we can add text inside, and we can copy it. Now we can also set it as wallpaper, which is pretty funny. Now click next, and as you guys can see, our new wallpaper will look like this. And for me, it's pretty crazy. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.